In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate custom item IDs in Monday.com. If you're looking to organize your tasks or projects more effectively, using custom item IDs can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and explore how you can set this up with ease and precision. First, you'll want to head over to your board on Monday.com. Once you are there, look for the plus icon, which is located right after the last column in your table. Clicking on this little icon opens up a world of possibilities for customizing your board, as it allows you to add new columns tailored to your needs. Now, when you click that plus icon, a search bar will appear on your screen. This search bar is a handy tool because it helps you find exactly the type of column you want to add. In our case, we're looking for the Item ID column, so go ahead and type Item ID into the search bar. You'll see it pop up as a selectable option. Once you've located it, click on it to add it to your board. With the Item ID column now added, you'll notice that Monday.com automatically generates a set of numbers as IDs for each row. This is incredibly useful, as it provides a unique identifier for each item, which can be especially vital in large projects where keeping track of each task or entry is crucial. But let's make those IDs even more meaningful by customizing them. If you want to add a personal touch, say by adding a prefix to each ID, it's really straightforward. Start by hovering your cursor over the column name, where you'll see a little icon with 3 dots appear. This icon is your gateway to more options, including the ability to customize your columns further. Click on the 3 dots icon and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. You'll then see a new set of options, among which is Customize Item ID Column. Selecting this option opens up more ways in which you can tailor the item IDs to your liking. For instance, adding a prefix can really help in categorizing different tasks or projects. This way, not only do you have a unique number identifying each row, but it also comes with a context right at the start. Imagine being able to quickly identify the department, work stream, or project phase just from the initial characters of your ID. And there you have it. Your Monday.com board now has custom item IDs suited to your specific workflow, all set up in just a few steps. With this feature, managing your myriad of tasks becomes that much easier and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your project management system.